Introducing the Galaxy UC-10P Ultrasonic Cleaner from our professional series. Built for extended cleaning sessions, it's ideal for operations over 30 minutes. Equipped with industrial-grade transducers and heaters, the UC-10P delivers top-tier performance for continuous use. The UC-10P Ultrasonic Cleaner includes the main unit, a lid, a cleaning basket, and a power cord. Connect the power cord to the ultrasonic cleaner and turn it on using the power switch. If the display indicates low and an alert sound is heard, this signals insufficient water level. Fill the tank with the appropriate cleaning solution, ensuring the water level remains 1 inch below the rim. The UC-10P Ultrasonic Cleaner can be used for a variety of applications. For example, dissolving solutes in solvents is an essential step in experiments. The UC-10P uses ultrasonic waves to make the process faster and more uniform, improving efficiency. Beyond chemical processes, the UC-10P offers a safe and effective solution for cleaning circuit boards. It removes contaminants without damaging delicate components, ensuring the integrity of your equipment. The cleaner's versatility extends even further. It's ideal for cleaning tools. With its ultrasonic technology, the UC-10P removes debris effectively, helping you maintain precision instruments and prolong their usability. To set the heating temperature, use the plus and minus arrow keys. Once the desired temperature is set, press the heating on-off button to turn the heating on or off. To set the cleaning time, use the plus and minus arrow keys. After setting the time, press the ultrasonic on-off button to start the cleaning process. Once the ultrasonication process is complete, carefully remove your sample from the cleaner. After use, drain and clean the stainless steel tank to ensure long-term performance. Thank you for watching. For more information and to explore our product range, please visit our YouTube channel.